Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. As usual, let's start by running the Jupyter book. And yes, here we are. The seems it's taking quite long to load the data. So first we go to our data and bits. And here we came. So actually, I remember we did not run this in the last lesson, and where we were using the aggregate and year. So we group by year, which is a column, and then we aggregate. That is, we set those total number of unique sets for that particular year. And to run this, we just need to come here and start all cells like that, and wait it to start. So let's to start. I'll come back in the next shot and we run it.